Welcome everyone to the Merry Makers Christmas Craft Collab hosted by Debbie, and a ton of us are joining in for the next 4 weeks. We're going to be doing a ton of Christmas crafts. We've got 4 weeks of crafty inspiration to get you set up for the holiday season. We'll go live at 1 p.m. Eastern. Welcome everyone, this is Letty. I have hashtag Merry Makers Crafty Collab. It's a crafty collab video. This is week number 4, which is our gift card holder week. This is the final week of our collab. Welcome back everyone. So I'm joining in on the hashtag Merry Makers Crafty Collab. This is a collab hosted by Debbie over at Project 39 Mini Albums. There are a ton of collab participants and a playlist. I'm going to list everybody down in the description box below. This is our final week, which is week number 4, and we are doing gift card holders for our inspiration this week for the collab. Now, I just recently did a haul from Joann's. This was a Black Friday haul, and I picked up this 12 by 12 paper pad. It was by Park Lane. It was like 60% off. I used a 20% coupon on top of that. I think I paid a little over $6 for this pad. I have that previous haul. I'll link it at the end of this video. I wanted to go ahead and use it for today's video, so I went ahead and made some gift card holders using several of the sheets from this paper pad. So I did 2 main designs, 2 main focal images on the front. I had pulled these from Creative Fabrica. I die printed them, then die cut them, and one of them I just used a punch. I think this was like maybe a 2.5-inch punch, and then the other one I did do a die cut to get those little the faux stitching all the way around. And then as far as the pattern paper, I just mixed and matched my patterns. This overall gift card holder, it's a mini slimline size, so it's about 3¼ by 6¼ or about 3¼ by 6¼ It does have a little slot. It's a pop-up mechanism right on the inside where you can put a gift card right on the inside, so it is a true gift card holder here. You have a little to from label at the bottom. I just designed that in Canva. And I do have a tutorial that I did on the Not Too Shabby Fall Retreat. It was day number 2, where I show you how to make this mini slimline gift card holder. And so if you're interested in that, I'll link that video down below in the description box below. Look how fun this paper is. It has like an iridescent shine and some glitter. There's lots of really fun patterns. I primarily wanted this pad because I figured it had some prints and things that I had not really seen in other pads. It also had some like foiling and accents and things like that, iridescence, and so I thought it was just super fun. I did fussy cut all of the cut aparts, or 1 page of the cut aparts that came with this paper pad, and that's what I used to decorate on the insides. So you see there, some of them have different words, but basically I just cut down pretty much 1 sheet of each of the patterns that came in this paper pad, cut them down to scale, and made these little gift card holders. I just mixed and matched them. It's such a fun and quick and easy project. And then this second one, I used a second pattern, and you see here I had a green foundation. The other one I had a pink foundation for these gift card holders. I tried to make one design a little more masculine, which are these, and the other one a little bit more feminine. So we would have lots of options here. And so that's what these look like. I'll show you a real quick little kind of sneak peek on these. I did do a belly band, and in the tutorial for the Not Too Shabby Retreat from my class, I was one of the instructors, and I did 3 different closure options for this gift card holder. And so the belly band was one of the options, and I show in that class how to do the belly band as well. What I love about that belly band is it's just a scrap from the cardstock. After you cut down this foundation, you're left with 1 little scrap, and that's what I made the belly band with. So this is such a really fun, and it's also an economical project because you use 1 sheet of cardstock from your stash to make each of the foundations and the belly bands. It doesn't take that much paper, and so it's actually a really quick and easy and fun project. And I cut down my paper from the 12 by 12 from this pad. I had a couple of these already in my stash where I use a Doodlebug collection. I think this is Candy Cane Lane, if I'm not mistaken, from a couple of years ago, but I had already had these in my stash and I found them, so I went ahead and brought them out just to kind of show you some more inspiration where you could use maybe a more mainstream collection such as this Doodlebug collection. And it's so fun. You can change up your paper, make it as whimsical as you want, add some iridescence, holographic, whatever you want. One other little tip I want to give you is I found these money holders at Dollar Tree. They're $1.25 for 8 of them. These are money holders but also gift card holders, and so I'm going to show you If you are pressed for time, you could easily just decorate the fronts of these and still really make it sort of like a handmade gift card holder as well. So you see here, it has the slots where you could add in that gift card holder. You could also, it's supposed to be a money holder, but you could also glue down the two sides and also make it a pocket to make it a gift card holder. And so this is like a mini slimline size as well. And you see here, all I did was just decorate the front just to add some additional embellishment, use some of my scrapbooking and paper supplies, some of my paper crafting supplies. I think this is so fun, a quick and easy project, and it sort of gives you a way to get a little bit more creative while not having to spend so much time working on foundations and bases and everything else. It's a really quick project, and all you're doing is decorating the front. And so I did one horizontal and the rest of them vertical. So again, this was week 4. We made gift card holders for this week. I'll make sure you check out that day 2 of the Not Too Shabby retreat. If you haven't already, I'll link it down below. And again, this was for the hashtag Merry Makers Crafty Collab. I also have that Joanne's haul. I'll link it here at the end in a second. Happy crafting. Thanks so much for visiting, everyone. I hope you got a ton of inspiration all 4 weeks. If you haven't already done so, check out that playlist down below. Happy crafting.